Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And if you have any query, so please feel free to contact us via this contact number, or you can drop an email to our email ID, which is saurabhsirclasses@gmail.com. So please feel free to contact us, so that will be beneficial for you, so you can join to our one-on-one sessions, our online classes, if and then you can join our regular batches, so that will be beneficial for you. And again, I am eager to tell you that we are going to organize a new batch, so you can join to it. So then if you have any mathematical query, or you are going to preparation for this kind of examinations like ISI M.Tech or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact numbers. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem of ISI M.Tech QROR, and the question is telling us that from 50 students taking at examinations in mathematics, statistics and engineering, 37 passed in mathematics, 24 in statistics, 43 in engineering, at most 19 passed in mathematics and statistics, at most 29 in mathematics and engineering, and at most 20 in statistics and engineering. Find the largest possible number of students that could have passed all the three examinations. So I think this is a very primitive question of set theory. Okay, this is a very easy question. So now we are tasked to finding the largest possible number of students who passed all the three examinations. Okay. So the data provided is the total number of students is this 50. And the number of students passing in mathematics, let us call it A, that is 37. In statistics, let us call it B, then is 24, and C will be engineering, so we will get 43. Okay. Now we are going to see that the pairwise intersections. So at uh, mathematics and statistics, so that will be A intersection B, that is equals to 19. Let me shift the screen. Yeah. Now mathematics and engineering, there are, yeah, 29 students, and B intersection C, so statistics and engineering, only 20 can pass. Okay, so we aim to find X, that is equals to A intersection B intersection C, the number of the students who passed all the three subjects, maximizing X. So now we are going to see the inclusion exclusion principle. The formula for the total number of students who passed at least one subject is, we know that, no, the inclusion exclusion formula is very easy to us. I think we all know. That is equals to A mod A plus mod B plus mod C minus cardinality of, sorry, yeah, A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. So now we are going to substitute the values. So we know that this will be 50, and we know that our, yeah, okay. So now we are going to put the values. My cardinality of A is 37 plus 34 plus 43 minus 19 minus 29 minus 20, and plus will be this. And we got X it, so that will be X. So now, okay, now please leave this part. Now please leave this part. Intersection B minus A intersection C minus this. Now let us leave it, and this is x. So we can write that. So that will be what? 50, and this will be 43 plus 24 will be 7, 6, 67, and that will be 37. So 67 plus 37 will be 104. Okay, 104 minus. Okay, so intersection of these things, that is equals to 54 minus x, or sorry, yeah, this minus x is equals to 54. Okay. So now we are going to define variables of pairwise intersections. Okay. So we got x equals to a intersection b intersection c mod. Okay. So and redefine the pairwise intersection from x. Then what we will get in a mod of a intersection b equals to s plus this intersection b minus c, where a intersection b, that is equals to 0. And now the number of elements in a intersection c is equals to x plus the number of elements in a intersection c minus b, where a intersection c minus b is greater than equals to 0. And now for b intersection c, x plus b intersection c minus a mod, sorry, number of elements of in it, then our b intersection c minus a, that is greater than equals to 0. Okay, so now what can I say? Substitute this into the total equation. So we will get x plus number of elements in this plus x. We are just substituting the value which we got in our previous equation. Okay. That is minus x equals to 54. Then there is 3x minus x, so that will be 2x plus these things, a intersection b minus c plus a intersection c minus b plus number of elements in this, and that is equals to 54. Why are it disturbing? Okay, so now the constraints on the pairwise intersections. So we can, they told us at most. So our sorry, let me write with another color. Yeah. Then our then number of elements in a intersection b has to be less than equals to 19. So x plus this 19. Then a intersection c is less than equals to 21. So x plus a intersection c minus b, what will be less than equals to 29. And similarly for b intersection c, the same thing will happen. minus a, what that will be less than equals to 20. Okay, so now for from each we can say that that is equals to 19 minus x, and a intersection b minus c minus b less than equals to, that will be 29 minus x, and for 8 b intersection c minus a, that will be equals less than equals to 20 minus x. Okay, so now we are going to maximize x. So substitute the maximum allowable values for it will be what? For these things, a intersection b minus c, a intersection c minus b, and b intersection c minus a into the equations, then what we will get? 2x plus 19 minus x, plus we will get 29 minus x, plus we will get 20 minus x, that will be equals to 54. Then that will be what? There are minus 3x and we got 2x here, so 2x plus, sorry, there are minus 3x plus 19 plus 20 plus 20, 29 plus 20 equals to 54. Then that will be minus x plus, and that will be what? 20 plus 29 will be 49, and 49 plus 19 will be 68, and that is equals to 54. So that will be what? So x will be my 68 minus 54, so that will be 14. And for this will okay, so this is this. So our a intersection b, a intersection c, then the number of elements in it will be equals to 14. So 14 will be the correct answer of the question. Okay, so the correct so the largest possible value of the students could have passed all the exams will be 14. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query or anything, so please feel free to contact us via these contact details. So our team can can organize a doubt clearing session to you, and after that you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and online classes. So that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay, thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.